I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who even know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every
So,
time.
it's been a long time since we've been in Asheville, North Carolina.
For 28 miles.
This is after the hurricanes have come through, and we haven't been through since. And we're towing. We're a 24-foot truck and a 30-foot bumper pull behind us. And we're going to show you towing through I-40 from Knoxville into Asheville, and what's changed, because a lot has changed. I know they're down to single lanes both ways. I believe they're restricted speed limit at 35 going through the cut right on North Carolina and Tennessee border. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see what you see, and we'll see it when we see it with you for the first time. So
Here goes. Alright, so we're getting ready to do the 40-81 split. And this is the last place for wide loads to detour. You cannot go through Asheville area, towards the Asheville area going on 40 if you are wider than 8.5 feet.
In half a mile, keep right to stay on I-40 East.
our RV is 8 foot wide. When we move up to our next RV, it'll be 8.5 feet wide. So we probably won't go this way again until they fix it. Even though semis go through here,
We'll see. We'll see if it really is as narrow as they're making it feel like.
we'll see. We're definitely
Keep
gonna
right to stay
be
on I-40 East.
we're definitely gonna be behind some semis, so we'll be able to see what it is, and so we'll know how it'll be with an RV. So
Continue on I-40 East for 10 miles.
we are gonna stop at the Loves right here before we go any further. One, because we know there can be delays here, and the other thing is fuel is way cheaper in Tennessee than it is in North Carolina. So we're gonna hit the Loves up here. Hopefully they have an RV dump and freshwater fill. We'll go ahead and get that done. That way we're good to go going in with fuel, freshwater, and empty tanks. Oh, yeah. So we'll do that. Catch you guys up in a little bit.
Good.
So we got to the dump station. It was $10. Drained all the tanks. Everybody used the bathroom. We then pulled over, and they had a water spigot at the pumps. So we filled our fresh water. We filled up with diesel, and then we're all good to go. But diesel, we ended up going through the car pumps because there was a water spigot there.
Yeah.
And we got 25 cents off a gallon, which is still a lot when you're doing 40, 50 gallons like we have. We don't have our 105 gallon transfer tank yet in the bed, and the 25 cents off a gallon or more is going to be huge once we get that. So, but for now, Asheville 67 miles. As soon as we see any of the signs or anything like that, and especially when we start driving through, we'll start videoing again. But that is it. This section right here, this is the cutoff. There is no turning back.
We have not been back to Asheville since the hurricane. So this used to be home for us. We used to live here. So it's kind of emotional, the idea of having to drive back through here and actually see it firsthand. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. know. So GPS is telling us that there's still construction ahead of us, but I don't expect it to drop back down to a single lane. If it does, we'll pull the camera back up. But
We're back on the 4 lanes each way.
Yep.
Well, sorry, it's 2 lanes going east. The westbound is still down to 1 lane. And it's kind of like what they did to us. They kicked us into 1 lane way early. That way, everybody was situated in a narrow lane way early, and traffic flows through this area very well. So, yeah, we're getting ready to hit 1 more tunnel. The westbound does not do a tunnel. The eastbound does do a tunnel. There's almost a crash in front of us. People not paying attention, trying to weave in and out of each other.
crazy. But yeah, we made it through, and
It really wasn't. The drive wasn't that bad, but the devastation here, it's gonna be years still before they.
ever,
It's
never,
gonna be years.
it's never.
Years and years before they fix that. Which, it's employment for a lot of people,
Yeah.
but it's just devastating to see that kind of damage. And all this land that used to be there is just gone. Just gone. Slow traffic ahead, 4 miles.
It's not filming. It's not focusing.
Oh, look at the river down there. Look at it.
That seems sick. I literally have.
Look at all that.
Under.
I don't want to look at
All the silt and the dirt. So it said there's another merge point up here, so I'm guessing it's on this curve right here where the water goes right next to the road, and then we go over the water. Once or twice we go over the water, so I'm wondering what this is going to look like through here. But it says there's a merge point, and you use both lanes to the merge point, so all the cars are flying as fast as they can to try to get in front of all the trucks and RVs.